Welcome boys to this video, and today on this very special video because we have got this camlink 4K capture card for GoPro and get it changed to a webcam. It's a very good one, it's very good. But I chose it because I already have a GoPro Hero 5 which I'm gonna show you how to set up with the camlink and show you how to connect it with a GoPro. Yeah, how to use it in OBS for example, which I'm actually using right now. I hope you like this video and subscribe and like the video, and see you in there. This is not really important, so yeah, just don't care about this. You can care about because that cable you don't need, but the camlink you need very much, and the rest it's not really important. But you can use it if you want to, not my choice. We need a GoPro for this and a micro HDMI. We need very much. The camlink we also need. For this, supply the camlink into the PC like so, and take off the IO shield so you can make videos and stream the game, whatever you want to stream really. Then the micro HDMI cable is going to go into the GoPro like so, and then the other end, which is the HDMI, you need to plug into your camlink. Then you of course need to download this beautiful app right here. Download it, 4K capture utility. Go to elgato.com. Then you of course go to downloads, and I have Windows. And then you of course go to camlink 4K because that's what we're going to talk about today. Then it's this you're going to download first. So when you have downloaded the 4K capture utility, you're going to go to 4K, open it, and if you have your GoPro or camera open and you have connected it, they should the cam should come up like this to record this. And if you're gonna do that on OBS, there's a way, or if it doesn't show up on OBS when you have opened it, there is a setting you can use to make it show up in here, and then you're gonna press C3L settings right at the same time like so, and this comes up, and you're gonna put in issue so whatever it's called. I cannot pronounce if that was correct. Parental. But when you have put that on, instead of believe it was automatic it have normally, so take that on, apply, already applied. Now leave this. Yeah, so open OBS after you done what I said. If you don't get up the camlink video, go to scenes, left click and press add video, capture the voice, and write in camlink. Very easy, don't really need to press anything. I'm taking this, that up. Yeah, now you can hear me clear.